Let's meet Wozek. She earned her degree in American Indian Studies here at ANC. Today she serves as the project director for the White Clay Immersion School, where she teaches the Aaniiih language to school-aged children. Wozek's education at ANC inspired her commitment to giving back to her community, motivating her to educate the next generation of Aaniiih language speakers. Tell us more, Wozek. Please take it away.
Aaniiih, Alex. Naha, my experience at Aaniiih Nakoda College started when I was about 7 years old, attending the White Clay Immersion School housed here on campus. We worked with other college departments as part of our curriculum, which sparked my desire to pursue my education at ANC and continue this work. Attending college here is a special experience because you receive quality education that you wouldn't receive at a mainstream university. All academic curriculum weaves Aaniiih and Nakoda values and practices in some way. Not everyone gets the opportunity to know who they are culturally, but this campus gives you a sense of place and community. We're surrounded by cultural designs and photos of our ancestors. It's a reminder of how far we've come as Aaniinen and Nakoda people, and to keep pushing through difficult times. This inspired me to go into American Indian Studies with the hopes to help shift the narrative of stereotypes and inaccuracies provided through American history in schools. I've taken advantage of our Aaniiih Nakoda language degree program, which helps create more teachers for our languages. I utilize these classes to help strengthen my speaking and teaching abilities at the Immersion School. As the White Clay Immersion School project director and Aaniiih language teacher, I'm directly involved with teaching students cultural life ways through real-world practices like smudging, jewelry making, and of course using the language. We also have learning opportunities outside the classroom, like our annual language forum and choke cherry picking. Through our students, we are helping maintain and revitalize the Indigenous life ways of our people. I've received many cultural and leadership opportunities through ANC, which has instilled great pride within myself. One of our core values is Aaniiih, generosity, being generous with success through helping others. Through this, I always knew I wanted to use my education to give back to my community. Nahasa, that's all. Back to you, Alex.
Wow, Wozek, your work embodies the values of cultural preservation and community empowerment, ensuring that the rich heritage of the Aaniiih Nations continue to thrive and inspire the next generation. Thanks again, Wozek.